Well, after the Madras High Court Division Bench order, now situation has calmed down in this place, and we are standing atop the Sikandar Basha Dargah, which is behind us, and people have been allowed over here. In fact, today morning, the Sandanakuda Vira also occurred as per the law, and 50 people were allowed, post which slowly devotees have also been allowed to come over here. In fact, if you see this side, on that side, that is Sikandar Dargah, and you could completely see the Tirupandagundram over here, and close to 15 meters away from that spot is actually the place where we have that particular Deebatun that has turned completely controversial. As on one side, what happened is that the Madras High Court Division Bench has upheld the order of the single bench judge, post which there was no kind of any untoward incident that occurred at this spot, and one by one devotees have started climbing this steep hill where we have the Sikandar Badshah's Dargah over at the spot. Very clearly, court said that maintaining law and order is the state's responsibility, and the state cannot have or act as per political agenda. And unfortunately, the court also stated that there were like certain mischievous petitions that were also filed, but the most important aspect is that the court has said that it has allowed and upheld the order by G.R. Swaminathan, which has stated that Kartikeya Deepam can be lit atop the actual pillar, which is 15 meters away from the spot, and we are standing at the spot, which is behind me, that you could see the Sikandar Dargah, which is atop the Tirupandagundram hill at Tirupandagundram. On the right side over there, that is the Sikandar Dargah, where you could see this is the actual place where the Sikandar Dargah is atop the Tirupandagundram hill. However, the issue of actual problem which since December that turned out to be a controversy is the Deebatun, which you could see behind us. There a team of policemen are sitting, and behind us is a place where the Deebatun is close to 15 meters away from the Dargah's compound wall that the justice had said earlier. That is a distance, and that is why it is of serious issue. That turned out to be a serious issue until yesterday, where the division bench has now also upheld the single judge's order, stating the lamp could be lit, the Kartikeya Deepam can be lit on the Deebatun. But still, now nobody is allowed over here. We have brought all the way to this particular place, and India Today is giving you exclusive visuals of this particular site over here, which is being protected by a team of police at the spot where we have the Deebatun right behind us, close to 50 meters from the spot. We are currently inside Sikandar Dargah, and this is a place of worship for Sikandar Badshah, which is atop the Tirupandagundram hill. And this has turned out to be huge controversy on one side because of the Deebatun matter. But however, after the division bench's order, things are very peaceful and calm over here, and devotees have come and they're slowly praying at the spot. There is no kind of issue, and everybody is allowed to pray over here. It is a very important spot for the people of Tirupandagundram, and that's what we see over here. Very peacefully, everything is going on. On one side, there was law and order issue at almost a month ago, back in December, shooting a Kartikeya on this. But right now, you could see that everything is happening peacefully at this spot, and people have come over here and they are praying and they are giving their devotion at the spot. This after the division bench court order that occurred yesterday, where it was clearly stated it has upheld the single judge order, and it is also very clearly mentioned that the Deebatun, the lamp can be lit, and it was also criticized the government for the way it has occurred. But we are bringing you exclusive visuals of the Sikandar Dargah, which is at top of Tirupandagundram hill, and this is a place where you could see right now people are worshipping at the spot. This is India Today, that is actually from the spot. We are giving you this information right inside Sikandar Dargah exclusively. With that one, Pramod Madhav, 23.